Hey friends, this is Prokopis from String Systems, and today I'm sharing an excerpt from my free mini course SFS Pentatonics Crash Course, in which I show you a fun way to boost your soloing creativity while learning the fretboard at the same time. You can get the complete course for free using the link in the description. The best step-by-step way to learn improvisation using SFS or the string fragment system is to start with just one string fragment, just 2 notes, and learn to play creatively with that before gradually adding the other string fragments one at a time. So how can we make music with just 2 notes? Well, we can do interesting things with rhythm, articulation, and so on. In the SFS Pentatonics Premium course, I think we cover 5 or 6 specific ideas at this stage. For now, I'll take a single improvisation idea, the slide. I'll just go to every A on the fretboard, play SF1, that's string fragment 1, and use slides to create interesting musical ideas. After you try this for a while using backing tracks, sliding will start to come out naturally as you're soloing. Then, the same way we added the slide to your improvisation language, we can add many different ideas, some of them as simple as the slide, others more sophisticated. Let's see what we can do with 2 string fragments. I have the blue note in the middle of SF2. So one idea would be to bend up to the blue note from the previous note. Bending with finger 1 is tough, but this is a 1 fret bend, so it's doable. Actually, even if you make a lazy half bend, it will still sound good because of the nature of blue notes. So I can jump to every A on the fretboard and use slides and now bending to the blue note over SF1 and SF2. On this lesson page, you can find a backing track for A minor pentatonic along with a diagram to help you locate SF1 and SF2 everywhere so that you can practice these example ideas for yourself. But in the same way, we can add many more soloing ideas to our improvisation language while learning the scales. This is a lot of fun and it allows you to be creative from the very beginning. You see, SFS is not just about learning a scale. It's not just a replacement for box shapes, even though it does that very well. But no, it's a complete musical education philosophy that promotes creativity. People think that being melodic is a special talent that only a select few possess, but it's a skill like any other skill. You can develop it if you approach it the right way. And memorizing box shapes doesn't help with that at all. On the contrary, starting with a single string fragment or even a single note and building on that while working on the musical side of things in parallel is the ideal way to approach this. Hey friends, this was an excerpt from my free mini course called SFS Pentatonics Crash Course 2.0. If you want to get the complete course, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching, and remember, enjoy your practice and be effective.